Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Ella, and today we are getting into some Boxycharm. I've got the base box that's 25. I've got the premium that's 35. I wanted to unbox them together and show you guys what you get for $60 a month from Boxycharm. If you're interested in seeing both boxes, stay tuned. Hey guys, how is everybody today? I am so excited to be filming today. I got a couple of videos that I'm filming today to get you guys up some content this month. I was good last month. I think I did 4, so that was a personal best for me, and I really appreciate all the love that last Ipsy unboxing got, guys. I've never had that many views on an unboxing, so thank you, thank you, thank you. Today we're going to be getting into the Boxycharm base box. This is the $25 a month box, and their new premium box, which I did film a video with this for December. I just never made it up because I never got it edited and done in time. If you guys still want to see that, leave a comment down below because I felt like it was old and nobody cared anymore. But if you guys want to see it, I do have it pre-recorded and I can get it up for you. So I wanted to unbox both of these boxes and see what we got. So one other thing I want to remind you guys real quick, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I do lots of unboxings. I do Boxycharm, Ipsy, Sudsy Club, Beauty Fix, Trend Mood, all of those. So if you guys are interested in that, please smash that subscribe button, ring the bell so you guys know when I upload. I have a beauty blog on Instagram called lifestyle.l. That's where I got my start. I've been there for about 1.5 years now. We got a community of about 3,100 people. It's an amazing, positive community. Nobody has ever started anything on my blog. I am so excited about it. We have no drama. We just support each other, talk about our feelings, and it's great when it comes to makeup because we keep it all positive. So if you want to join us there, please do so, and let's get into it. So I want to start off with the base box first. I just got this literally today. I haven't even done my pictures with it for the vlog yet, so I wanted to get this done so I can do pictures afterwards. It's new for me. We get 5 items for the $25. This month, the theme was Breaking the Ice, and I love their art for Boxycharm. In fact, I saw a picture on Instagram where everybody took a picture of all their cards. I keep mine all up on the wall, so I think I might do that too. And it gives us all the info and the prices on what we got. So let's get into the products. I want to start off first with the Skin & Co. Face Gommage. We actually got this last month in Ipsy, and it's a great product. I really like Skin & Co. and I really like this particular face gommage, but I already have it. So stay tuned for a future giveaway. I am going to give this one away because I already have a full-size one. This one goes for $28, and it's a great product, especially if you like the truffle smell. It's got like a light truffle smell, and it's a really good micro-exfoliator, so good product. Next thing we got was from Avant Skincare. This is an 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. I love sleeping masks. They're like one of my favorite because you know what? By the time my day is over, between work and filming and the blog, I am so tired. I don't always feel like doing my whole skincare routine. But these overnight masks, I can wash my face, throw this on, and one step be done. So I really love this, and I think this thing is super pricey too. Yeah, it's $107, which is crazy. So I'm definitely going to get some good use out of this, and I will report back on the blog what I think of it. But I'm really excited to see this as well. Next thing is from Pretty Vulgar. And this is their concealer. This looks a little yellow for my very pink skin. Let's take a look. If I can get it open. Oh my God, I can't get it open. Okay guys, maybe not, because I literally cannot get it open. All right guys, I had to get some male intervention to get this open. But this is the Pretty Vulgar concealer. Let's take a quick swatch and see if it actually matches me. Yeah, and this is super yellow. We did take complexion quizzes, and I don't know if that will ever be able to match me. I mean, maybe if I like rub it in. I'll be honest with you guys, I just got the new Tarte Shape Tape Glow, and I'm really, really into it. I'm actually wearing it today, and I love it. Yeah, this is definitely a little yellow. I think I can make it work, but the coverage is decent, so I'm excited to try this Pretty Vulgar concealer. The next thing we got, I did not see in any spoilers. Whoop, look at me, I'm just dropping everything today. This is from the Evil Queen, right? Is that what it's called? Actually, it's Queen Studio. It's a matte liquid lip stain. And this is a matte liquid, stain that's going to keep you there. And I got to say, guys, The color is amazing. It's called Thick Skin. It's this gorgeous, like, orangey pink. Yeah, and I took a swatch of it real quick while I was trying to get the other thing off. This is gorgeous. It's very similar to what I'm wearing. This is from Dose of Colors that I'm wearing today, but I'm really into this. Like, even though the brand is not like a Sephora brand, this is a great lip stain. I'm really excited to get it. So I like that a lot. And the last thing was from Ace Beauté, and this is the Vintage Dawn palette. I did choose this as my choice item, and I couldn't be happier. The colors in here are like my jam. Oh. Like, really, guys? I love orange and yellows and peaches. Those are like my favorite colors ever. And this is just to die for gorgeous. Like, oh, this horizon color and the yellows, and the green, and this light blue. I just want to quickly swatch one of them because I do have to still take pictures of this, but oh, let's see. Oh yeah, guys. Pigmented gorgeousness. I will do a look with this and put it on my Instagram page. I love this palette. So for $25, was it worth it? Absolutely. This palette, I'm sure alone was worth more than $25. This palette goes for $35, so it's $10 over the price of the box. The Pretty Vulgar, which I forgot to give prices on before, was also $25, so we're at $50. This Liquid Stain is $17, so we're at $67. This Sleeping Mask was $107, so it was $167, $174. And then this Skin & Co is another $28, so you're talking about $203, $205 value. Absolutely worth $25 all day long. I'm a very, very, very happy person with this base box. So for $10 more, the premium should just kill it, right? Not as much. Gotta be honest. So the premium is a much larger box. I don't know if you guys had a chance to look at them next to each other. I'll put them up again real quick. But I mean, much, much bigger box. So you're getting a lot more for your money. And this one also, believe it or not, has actually a bigger card too. I thought that was kind of funny. Oops, look at me, I can't put them up together. So yeah, it has a bigger card as well. And it still has the same Breaking the Ice theme. And this one gave us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This subscription box, by the way, is $35 a month. You can get 6 to 7 full-size items. There's supposed to be more premium items. There has been like Natasha Denona in this box, and Farzali, and, you know, really good brands. So I was excited. I got my first one last month, and I liked it. And this month, I'm a little less in love, but I still like it. Let's get into it. So I've got all my items kind of pulled out here, and I will go through them. So first up, we've got this brow kit. You guys should recognize this. I got it in Ipsy last month, and everybody hates on Ipsy and Ipsy Ultimate and everything like that. And they've done me dirty as well. Don't let me, like, you know, say I love them or anything. But we got the exact same kit. This is not a bad kit, but it's not premium at all. And, you know, I've tried the products now in it, and the spoolie's great. I like the concealer highlighter. The rest of it I can take or leave. So this, look at me. This is a dud. This for me, because one, I already have it, and two, I liked 2 of the products. And the brush, I can say 3 I liked. The gel, I wasn't so much of a fan of. And I don't do a lot with my brows, by the way, guys. Like you can see, these caterpillars are all mine. But I will put this in a future giveaway for somebody who does want it, because I do already have this kit. So that was product number 1, which did not start off great. Moving on from there, we got from Kat Von D. Sorry about that, guys. I had to go find my single shadow. I stuck it in the wrong box. So yeah, this is Lolita from Kat Von D. This is her like best-selling liquid lipstick shade, and they made it into like a brush eyeshadow format. I don't want to swatch this because I'm not a fan of Kat Von D's brand, and her makeup historically has never really worked out for me. I do end up breaking out from it. So I am going to leave this intact for somebody. I'm going to put this in a future giveaway as well. I'm not a big fan of the single eyeshadows. Even as a blush, I feel like it's kind of small. So this is kind of a flop for me as well. Not starting out great. And we're not going to get much better with this. So this is from Bliss. Bliss is a great brand, by the way. This particular product I wasn't as thrilled with. This is the Bliss Pore Patrol, and this is a deep detox 4-clay souffle mask. So I guess what you do is you kind of spray it out and it poofs up, and then you put it on, it gets hard, and you take it off. I don't like that kind of format for my masks in general. I might, however, try this tonight because I did have a breakout this morning. I tried the Guerlain L'Essential primer and foundation, and it made me completely break out, so I will do some kind of follow-up on my Instagram about that. But if you guys see a little bumpiness, that's what it's from. But I want to try that for that particular purpose. The packaging is amazing. It's got this like textured side on it. And Bliss is a brand I really do like, but this format of mask is not usually my jam. I can see people who would really like this, and this is an product for me in this box. By the way, the Lolita single shadow was $19, and the brow kit was $42, which is drastically priced. And this Bliss is $18 for this mask. So not the greatest start. 3 products that I wasn't really head over heels about. All right, so moving on to the stuff I did like better. First was from Tula. This is their cleanser. This is the Keep It Clean Acne Foam Cleanser. I like the format of this one as well. It's kind of one of those pump form ones. And this is great for the shower, and we go through a lot of cleanser in my house. So I'm really excited to get this and to use it. I'm sure that my hubby will be as well. This is also a probiotic and superfood. So this I really do like. I'm happy to see this in the box. So that is positive, and this is $34. So this does pay for the box, so I didn't lose any money. The next product I want to talk about is from Farsali, and this is their liquid glass. Now this I really do like. I never really got all the hype with Farsali. I know that a lot of people really like their products, but for me these glass bottles are not like my favorite because they tend to break if you try and travel with them, and we do travel a lot. And this dropper format, while it looks really cool on Instagram videos, is not my favorite. This is a serum. It comes out a little bit of like a milky white consistency, and then when you kind of rub it into the skin, it does give you a nice glassy kind of appearance. It has a very citrus and grape, if that can make any sense whatsoever. And as you can see, as you first put it on, it's liquid, then it kind of goes to a thing. Now it's like an oil. So if you guys can see that, it gets very oily. I'm trying to see what it does next, if it kind of just dries to the skin, but right now it's very oily and it's kind of tacky, which would make it a really good primer. But as skincare, I'm not so sure, but I do want to give this a good go and see what I think of it. I know that Farsali is an expensive brand, and this goes for $54. So this is what I expect to see in the premium box. Don't mind me, I got my little thing stuck in there. This is what I expect to see in the premium box. I don't expect to see, you know, Bliss and $1 Billion Brow. So this I'm happy with, and the Tula I'm happy with so far. And the last product we got was from Too Faced. And I'm going to go on record right now. I've said it many times on my Instagram blog. I am not a fan of Too Faced. I love their packaging. Their packaging is absolutely adorable. They kill it on all their packaging. This is the Palm Springs palette. It's got the little Palm Springs front. You get a little Palm Spring front to this. Most of their eyeshadow palettes do have this like closed case kind of thing where it's like a hard shell plastic, and then you open it up and your shadows are in there with a mirror. But their colors are like, This reminds me of my peach palette, and except for like the Swank is a purple in that palette, and there's a few more colors that are like more peachy, and this one's got a few more yellows. But I mean, the colors are pretty, but their formula is just not it. This one's not horrible here. Their mattes seem to be okay, and their shimmers really have a nice little bit of color to them. Well, this swizzle stick doesn't. Yeah, this pink is kind of like eh. So they're hit or miss. Dirty Martini, yeah. So, I mean, they have color to them, but some of them are drier than others. None of them feel like super gorgeous or anything like that. I like the mattes in this palette better. It does have a smell. It's like a vanilla creme brulee kind of smell. So I'm not unhappy with this palette, although I don't love Too Faced. I mean, again, like their quality has gone downhill in my opinion, and Jared Blandino and his sister get up on social media and do silly things that just aggravate me. So I tend to stay away from Too Faced. I will give it a try. I will do a look with it for my Instagram page. I'm not unhappy to have gotten it, but it would never be my choice for brands. And it seems kind of funny. Remember when like they did Laura Lee's palette last summer, and then they did Kat Von D, and now this? It seems like every time Boxycharm features one of these brands, they get themselves in hot water right before Boxycharm releases them. With this, it was Jared Blandino's sister coming out and saying something silly about Nikki Tutorial's video, which, by the way, Nikki, you go, girl. We love you. We'll still love you tomorrow, even though you've come out as nothing more than who you've always been. We all love you and we support you. So you keep doing you, go. But stupid, ridiculous comments that come out of people's mouths, I got no patience for it. Anyway, this Too Faced cosmetic palette is $45. I think it's overpriced for 12 shadows. And it kind of goes along with my feeling for Too Faced. So how did this one land? I really only like 2 products. Maybe this, but this is like an eh. So it did pay for the box, but this month I was utterly unimpressed with my premium. I loved my base box. So that's how we land. I want to thank you guys for taking this time to hang out with me, to go through these boxes with me. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like what you saw, give me a thumbs down. I really appreciate any engagement you guys give me. If you wouldn't mind leaving me a comment, tell me what you liked in my video. Tell me what you didn't like. Tell me if you want any of the stuff I talked about and giving a giveaway, because I'm definitely going to get one of those going pretty soon. And I will see you guys in the next one.